In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a group in Microsoft Teams. Now, whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply removing groups that are no longer active, this straightforward process will help you achieve just that. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Microsoft Teams. You can access this via your web browser or the desktop app, whatever feels most convenient for you. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Teams home screen, where all your active groups and channels are neatly organized. Now, it's time to locate the group you wish to delete. Scroll through your list of groups on the left-hand side of your screen until you find the one that's destined for deletion. To ensure you've got the right group, remember that clicking on it will show you recent messages and activities, which can serve as a helpful reminder of the group's purpose and activity level. Once you've selected the right group, direct your attention to the group's name. There, to the right, you will notice three little dots, also known as the More Options menu. This icon might be small, but it's significant. It provides several useful options for managing your group. Click on these three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll see various options to manage your group. Look for an option labeled Delete and select it. This is the option that allows you to permanently remove the group. Remember, once a group is deleted, all of its conversations, files, and history are permanently erased, so it's a good idea to ensure there's nothing you need to save or export beforehand. After selecting Delete, you'll be prompted with a confirmation window. Microsoft Teams wants to be sure you truly wish to delete the group and all its contents. Here, you'll find another Delete button. Click on it once more to confirm your action. This added step is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions, and it's a standard practice in many software applications to ensure users don't mistakenly lose information. And there you have it, the group is now deleted from Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you've successfully streamlined your workspace by removing a group that's no longer needed. To recap, you simply go to Microsoft Teams, locate the group, click on the three dots, select Delete, and confirm your choice with another Delete. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your teams efficiently and keep everything organized. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on deleting a group in Microsoft Teams. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into trouble along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, take care.